Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a print quality diagnostic report, which is essentially a test page for a HP Envy 6120. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. So the first thing we need to do is go into Menu from the touchscreen, and then we're going to scroll up until the Tools option comes up with that yellow icon. Press to go into that. And then Troubleshooting is the top option. So we go in there, and then we're going to go into cartridge cleaning. Trust me, because at the bottom right hand side, you'll notice a print option. Now if we press on that, take your printer just a minute, but as you can see, it's printing that print quality report or test page for us. So we're going to give the printer just a minute and wait for it to spit out this page. And as you can see, we have black text and a bunch of different coloured boxes showing the 3 colours that your printer uses to produce prints. And you'd be looking for any missing colours or lines in these blocks to indicate a print quality issue. Obviously mine's fine, but if you're not quite so lucky, you probably want to do either the level 1 or the level 2 cleaning back on that screen that we looked at previously. And you can just carry on here doing cleaning cycles and test pages until you're perfectly happy with the quality of your prints. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.